Alright, so today we are back for another video of Binding of Isaac. You know, since I got that Eden win last time, I might as well keep on going Eden, try to get an Eden streak going. But knowing me, that streak's probably gonna end today because I suck ass at this game. But yeah, on that note, let's just hop right in and see how it is. This run might not even be in the video, but oh, look at Penny. Okay, I like Little Brimstone too.
Experimental
Luck up,
pill.
speed down. Pretty good, pretty good. Man, if they made a what do you call it, Crooked Penny based off of luck, man, that'd be broken. That's something I want to be. I want to be broken. I mean, well, granted, 50-50 is already fucking pretty broken enough, but no, I'm not gonna go my way. Double belly button won't do shag diddly squat for me, so we'll just grab it. This could come in handy, I guess. Yeah, this is it's gonna be a little bit annoying trying to, position my boy, but it can give me it can come in handy. Look at that. Jeez. So far, we're doing pretty good with my geeky ass haircut and a dream. 2 bombs. Nice. Crooked Penny. Hey, there we go. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yoink. Thank you very much. Yoink. Thank you very much. Yoink. Ah. I don't even know if they stack. No, they definitely don't stack. That was just for fun. Hey, if I could ever get like a dice room or just something, a D4, there we go. I got an extra item I can reroll to another item from the item pool. Honestly, not too shabby. Okay, I gotta get rid of this. That's actually hurting me more than it's helping me. There we go. See, now that's a lot better. He keeps on moving around when I'm trying to hit this target that's standing practically still. So I don't think that was it. Humbling Bundle was a nice pickup at the start, though, for sure. Thanks to Mr. Cookie Penny over here. Now, with these bombs, you can go ahead and grab these sexy items. Random dice room effect. I guess we'll hold on to that. Maybe we get a D4, D6 dice room effect. Maybe. Pull up. Yeah, there we go, baby. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. No brimstone, put some damage in there. Yeah, easy claps, bitches. Yeah, let's go, HP, bitches. We're pimping out here. Friggin' Penny's not letting me down so far. And let's hope it stays that way. Let's hope it stays that way. Not a single fail. Well, actually, we failed once, but granted, that didn't really matter because I didn't really need that extra battery. The extra 9 volt. Oh, finally! Let's go. We almost got enough for to buy something in the shop. Charge bagger. Potential. Easy room with a little brimstone here. Thank you very much. What we got in here? I'm just gonna grab the long. See, I can. No! I got too greedy and I paid the price. That's all I gotta say. My greed got the better of me. These aren't really worth at all. Damn, not even a single smack. We'll just get the soul heart, I guess. Oh, I should have cooked a penny that, huh? Try to get more than an extra soul heart out of that bitch. I think secret room's right on top of us too. So let's go into the double deal with my crooked penny. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit, and we're just gonna pop this crooked penny. If we get it, hell yeah. If we don't, it is what it is. Nice. I'll take that. I'll take that. I would like that golden bomb, but your boy can't reach. So we're just gonna have to leave it behind. Now it's Yell. Not my favorite boss, but he's not too hard either. He's just like a more annoying Dubski. Granted, Dubski is easy as shit, so I can't even call Dubski annoying. Oh, there goes my first hit. Damn, I can't believe it. I'll just fucking grab that. Don't matter. Oh. Hey, let's go. Ready? Don't even need to waste my HP. I could get another damage up if I want to grab that though, but I don't want to commit to double deals, so we still have that chance to get a nice angel deal. That's the plan here. Down we go. We're gonna get some heat. I can feel it. This runs a Dubski for sure. I can feel the Dubski emanating from this run. Nice, the black guy can take those. Boink. Bro, it only lasted one room. Come on, man. This piercing's gotta be a dub, bro. That's for damn sure. Unless I come across a Himalaya, then it's not gonna be a dub no more. Okay, we gotta get rid of the ghost guy. Oh, I was still flying for a second, man. Come on. It didn't even last a room this time. That's kind of goofy water. That would have been dope for the boss room, for sure. Nice, you got shot. Check what's in there, and then we'll try to duplicate it with my cookie penny. Oh, not too bad. Damn, damn. I was hoping it'd work, man. I was hoping. Sticker in my gear, maybe. Hey, let's go. Free item. Yeah. No free item. Treasure map would have been a good pickup if I could have gotten it. But Crooked Penny was not on my side that time. It is what it is. Can't complain. That last room that we haven't checked probably is the mirror room, if anything. We're just gonna have to join. Let's just get this fine item. That's just that time. It's alright, I suppose. Fused up, speed down. God damn! I think the only two pills I grabbed today had speed down on it, bro. I can't believe it. This game does not want me to go fast. Alright, we'll get this one clear. And then we'll fight the boss. Try to penny this shit. Oh, we're about to burst too. I see that. I see that. So the boss room, we're gonna have that Mega Brimstone. That's gonna be pretty nice. Easy clear. I do want to go in there as well, but I'm not willing to lose all my HP for it. I'm not that good at the game where I can survive on one fucking heart. So I don't have confidence. Oh, come on, man. You wasted my Mega Brim, Wormwood. Oh, actually, what the fuck? What launched them right into me like that? I'm guessing it was the diff. It had to be the diff. You probably got cut up all over me and then just bounce all over me. Damn. This was kind of an L, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, we're gonna fight this Wormwood legit the normal way. No Mega Brim for me. But I don't mind because it's an easy fight. Can you stop going into the hole? Stay right there, stay in that corner. No! You bastard! I think I'll just keep on going all fast. We'll go down the mine. Hey, that's alright, don't mind if I do. Jigs? Let's go! Granted, I'm maxed on fucking soul hearts now, so it doesn't really help me out here too much. But let's go! Oh wait, I forgot. I said I was going down the mines. I don't got no bombs for mines. Damn, I see how it is. Maybe we can get to the second part of mines. It's not over yet. It's not over yet. Still got a chance. I'm hoping my Crooked Penny actually pays off this time, you know? Hasn't paid off in a hot minute. Money galore. Looks like I'll just buy something from the shop rather than trying to Crooked Penny it. Now if I was broke, I would Crooked Penny. Crooked Penny was on my side for one floor, and then after that, it's kind of been in the shitter. Damn, that was the easiest clear in my life. Thanks to Azazel's Horn. I'm hoping I get angel deals here because I could Crooked Penny it and get both of the deals. If I win that 50-50. If I don't, that's a fat L for me. But so far, know how it's been going. I don't think I might be winning that 50-50. Granted, we just did get PJs. I don't know. But I'm not too confident out here. I'm not too confident about this. Guess we got a shot. What we got, baby? Oh, hero machine. Got a duplicate. Nope. What's this? Ace of clubs. Nah. We'll buy this. We'll drop a few bats. Reroll. Duplicate. Nice. Pop. Grab the bombs. Bada bing, bada boom. What's this? The Magician. That's a good card. Let's drop that outside, I guess. Nah, because I'm going to hold on to Wheel of Fortune, actually. So. Ooh, I can see forever pill? Nice. If only I have a way to move these batteries out. That'd be dope. Damn. Okay, I see how it is. Oh, now that's a good pickup if I can fucking roll those away. Yeah, well, duplicate those. That'd be amazeballs. If there's one more room, we'll go back to the shop and try my luck again. That was a free room too. Let's go. Alright, fingers crossed this actually works out for me, but I am not too sure. Yeah, I figured as much. Oh, now that's a dope one right there. That's pretty good, man. Double Diplopia. Ooh, you know what I'm throwing down? Let's just go to this, oh yeah, I forgot. I can see forever. We got a few keys we could open these junks up with. So we got one small bat and a big bat. I'll go grab the big bat first, I guess. Because we still gotta clear rooms anyway, so we can go for that small bat later. I'm just hoping this works out for me. I'm not too confident though, just like the other good one. Yeah, I figured as much. Damn. That's just dog. What's this? Ooh! This gets rid of my my poor little Brim though. Hey, but you know, I'm sorry, little Brim. I'm gonna sack you. But you gotta give me some gas, right, little Brim? Oh, oh wait. Oh, I was thinking about another reverse card. But that's gas, bro. I'm taking this. Now my fat ass can munch away and get fucking hella power. The power slowly goes away though, right? The strength from grabbing the food items. I think it does. But I'm not too sure. Members card could be gas. But we risk it for the biscuit! No! No! Risking it for the biscuit didn't work like 3 times in a row. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe it. Oh yeah, members card would have been. I should have just bought it because I could Crooked Penny the members card. Ah, what am I? Man, my small brain, monkey brain, going wild, man. It's sabotaging me now. But yeah, that could have been hella gas. Now that I'm thinking about it, we get the fucking members card. We walk in with our fucking big dong Crooked Penny. We pop that shit. Maybe there's a secret Sacred Heart in that junk. And we could have gotten a free Sacred Heart But nah, my dumbass decided to risk it for the biscuit even though I was 1 point off. And we lost our chance, bro. I can't believe it. I can't believe I'm this dumb, bro. Ooh, luck up. I'm fine. Justice.
Number 8, Justice.
Gimme. We're about to burst. Yeah, baby. Alright, item room. What you got for me? Come on, be gas. That's not gas. Actually, Candy Heart could be pretty good. But I say we embraced our fat assness and we grabbed the yeah, binge eater is kind of okay. So my damage does slowly go down when I stop eating, so that's kind of mega downside if I'm being honest here. Now if we had that rock bottom from last run, that would be amazing, but that's not gonna happen. Not a second time. Yeah, look at that. By the time I get to the boss, my extra damage is all gone. So from now on, no point of me really, you know, eating more food with my fat ass. Not unless I get like an item I can hold on to. But you know, with binge eater, if I grab all these health up items, I will pop my Wheel of Fortune, and hopefully they turn into some pretty amazing items later on in the run. But that's wishful thinking. That's probably not going to happen knowing me. I really need some speed now, though. That's for damn sure. Oh, yeah, we actually got the fucking angel deal. Let's go. Let's go for the tears up. Might as well hold on to that for now, you know. Ooh, Eden Soul. Okay, we're grabbing Eden Soul. I can't leave that behind, man. It's too good. Ah, shit. The mega downside is, I won't be able to shoot my, fucking devil deals anymore, but hey man, bro's gotta do what bro's gotta do. Eden Soul's just too good to pass up. Oh! If I had all those charges inside the fucking shop, that would have been amazing. Damn. Alright. I think I already blew up the reroll machine, so this will go down, I guess. Wicked Penny held up for a while, but now we got a better item. Oh hey, I keep this match. Don't mind if I fucking do. So far, not too bad. Not too bad. I'm kind of digging this run, and I'm also kind of banking on Wheel of Fortune. Oh, we got Curse of the Blind. Damn. All right. And we got Breaking. Damn. Or Dessert. I can't believe it. I can't believe it much. Error Walk. That doesn't really help me out here too much, if I'm being honest. Get rid of that before I run into them like an idiot. So hello, bye, bitch. I already found where shop is too. It's in this dark ass room. Hopefully we got some gas in here. Oh wait, I forgot. There's the blind. We don't fucking know. Midnight snack. Damn, I grabbed the fucking HP up. Wait, let's grab this battery actually. Come on. I think it's based off the item pool I popped this in, right? So I probably want to hold on to it. That looks like a fucking Gideon. I don't like the sights of that, bro. So if I get some bombs here so I can look for like a secret room, that'd be gas. It has to be under one of these rooms right here, right? No, never mind, it can't be. Mayhaps next to... Oh, okay, it can't be there either. Alright. So we know this bottom part's knocked out. That's good to know. No secret rooms there. But there could be one on either side. I'm gonna try this side, please. Let's go for try. Alright, Eden Soul, don't let me down, baby.
Dinner.
Oh, shit. Okay. Damn, that could have been gas, man. That could have been gas, but I picked dinner instead because of Binge Eater. Binge Eater kind of fucked me over on this one. That could have been the rock bottom for all I know, man. For all I know. But it is what it is. Nothing can be done. Experimental pill better not give me a speed down again. Luck, oh bam. That was a luck down pill. I can't believe it. City. I see how it is. Oh, surprisingly it wasn't a Gideon. But I couldn't make use of my whatchamacallit here, so that kind of blows. But an easy boss fight. I think that was the fastest I've ever killed a bitch. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Yeah, let's go down here, I guess. I suppose. Doesn't hurt. We still got a shit ton of fucking soul hearts protecting my ass, so I'm chilling. We're going for this. Yikes! Those were pretty dog water fucking deals. I'm not, oh, not deals, but items. I think betrayal's like a tier 0, right? So that's not pretty gas at all. Oh, we can't make boss rush, so that's damn crazy. Bummer for that, but it is what it is. Can't do much about that. We're getting a shit ton of keys, but no fucking bombs here, man. The bombs I do get, I can't fucking reach. Ow. I need to do something about my speed, man. My speed's fucking horrendous. At this point, I'm just banking on this reverse Wheel of Fortune and giving me some good ass shit. Man, we might as well just get the fucking food, dude. We got a higher chance of getting angel deals somehow, but I'm not gonna complain about that. We take what we can get. Hopefully we get like a sacred orb or something. Not sacred orb. It's a little bit too late for sacred orb. But like a sacred heart or something like that. That'd be pretty good. But I have my doubt because my luck can only get me so far, as it's not the best. Oh, Colonel Heart. Granted, it's not gonna help you too much here. We're doing pretty well for ourselves, though. I'm not gonna lie. This is not the mom fight yet, or the It Lives fight yet, so we can just go ahead. Hey, oh yeah, not the mom fight, yeah, because mom fight first. Oh, it's this piece of shit. Come on, man. Why your intro gotta take like 20 fucking years, bro? We could have been done for it. This is bullshit, man. Just keep it as this. Yep. I'm bound to get hit by this piece of shit. I don't know how you fucking work this all the time. There you go. A snack. Woo! Wow, this is such a great deal, bro. You know, actually, 2/3 of conjoint's not too bad. Yeah, let's just fucking dip. No point staying for a longer time. It wasn't gas, that's all I gotta say. Come on, hook a brother up with some dope items. Oh, or that works too. Okay, thank you, game. We'll play this, you know, if we're lucky. We could get an item out of this bitch. An angel deal item. I got a shit ton of HP and a dream. We got this. Come on. No, one more time. Okay, at least it got rid of my fucking, whatchamacallit. Uh-oh. At least it got rid of my fucking crack card. Ooh, guppy piece. Oh. It should have switched there, bro. What's going on, man? That's some dog age, dude. It should have switched. This game's trolling me, man. I can't believe it. Bro, are you serious? serious, man? Come on, bro. That does rig. That shit should have been gone. Book, Scorpio. Let's go for the fucking gears. Yeah, at least we get 2 items out of here, I suppose. But I definitely would have preferred the other one, man. You know, Isaac's tier is pretty gas, though, if I have Godhead. Godhead with Isaac's tier is broken as shit. Oh, hey, shot. What do we got? Ooh. Well, we have a problem here, you see. Your boy don't got no schmacks for that shit.
Huh?
That's a pretty big problem, you ask me. Number 6. Damn. I mean, it prevents scratches from appearing. I'm trying to play this for, oh, there you go. I'll take that. Practically a full heal. You know what? My cheers honestly isn't too bad. We got Sacrum here. Might as well fucking play it. We got the HP. Now I just gotta hope we get the teleport. Cheers down, luck down. Shit pills. Great. Be nice game. Let's go. Oh, I forgot. It was past those candles. I completely forgot about that. Sorry, Bethlehem. Yeah, that's pretty gas. We'll take. Not sorry, Bethlehem. Angelic Prism, I mean. That's pretty gas. Yeah, we actually got a good run going for us. We'll just get rid. I mean, yeah, Bob's Rotten Head would be not that bad, but you know, I'm kind of liking this Isaac Sears thing we got going on here. It's not too shabby at all. Well, there goes my. Oh, actually, the deal doesn't fucking matter at all. I forget. We already get the deal, or we already got the deal. Do that shit. Hurry! All right, here comes mother. Lay that feet down, bitch. Oh, I was like, what the fuck's hitting me, bro? I forget I got sharp And we somehow still got the deal. I didn't want the deal here, though, dude. I actually didn't want the deal here. Because I couldn't got the deal here, bro. It would have increased my deal chance for this. Let's just go. I just need some type of homie, and I'm chilling, man. Hopefully I get the deal here. No promises, though. We did get a deal, but just not the one I was looking for. I mean, at least we got a guppy piece and a third of conjoined, so that's pretty cool. Let's go down to Hush. We the one time I said I'm not going to Hush and Delirium, we actually got to Hush and to Hush. Let's see how it is. Oh! Of course we're grabbing this damage. Hopefully we get a good rune out of it. Soul of the Keeper? Sure.
Soul of the Keeper.
I think our tier was capped, so that could be pretty we can do some donation now, so that's cool, I guess. Let's grab my Wheel of Fortune again. We're gonna gamble on that on the last stage. These aren't really that great, if I'm being honest here. At least in my opinion. Oh, there was a marked rock in that jump? Okay, don't mind if I do. Yeah, we're just gonna grab the fucking... Wait, what does this get? Damage and luck up. Damage and shot speed. Let's go to luck up. Oh! My impatient ass, bro! I can't believe... Ooh, Montro's long. You know, yeah, we're taking that shit, bro. Give me that. Give me that jump. Damn, we couldn't get the whatchamacallit, man. Can't believe it. Ooh. grab this. And I guess we'll just grab the food, if anything. Biscuit for the biscuit. Shot speed up, range
Experimental
down.
pill.
Oh, no, that's speed up. I'll take that, actually. I'll take that. I do need me... Oh, wait, let me donate. Forgot about that. My donation machine is starving. There you go, jammed. Alright, Mr. Hush. It is time for you to get your ass beat. Not bad damage there, right? Yeah, oh, Monster's Lungs. Every shot from Monster's Lung counts. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. I can practically spam it every single time I shoot. Granted, the range on it is pretty fucking bad. Yeah, if only it had like some type of homing, this would be amazing. Guardian Angel kind of helped me out there. I should have gotten hit, if I'm being honest. Keeping an eye on my Eden right now. Trying to not get hit here. Well, I mean, I can't take some hits easily. I'm just trying to not get hit too much. Ow. Well, we lost our black hearts. Oh, there goes the eternal heart. Thought we were finished charging, but I guess not. Alright. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, up we go. And, if we can, we'll fight Delirium. If not, it is what it is. Might as well just go. Pretty sure I was supposed to get hit there, but I'll take not getting hit. I don't mind. Shit. That's Delirium portal, but we're going to chest first, of course, baby. I gotta get what I can, man. Capricorn's dope. Everything else here is kind of dog, though. Let's go to Secret Room. Damn. Can't believe it. Secret Room's got nothing for me either.
Huh?
Oh. We'll save that there, you know, just for a little off chance we do end up doing a reroll, which I highly doubt I'm gonna get.
Huh?
Ow, you piece of shit, man. It's not cool. You know what? Yeah, I'll take that. We don't need that trinket on number 6 anymore because no more heals. Ooh, oh no. Forgot red chests don't guarantee you an item in a chest. Chilling out here, man. Look at this. Yeah, poor Super Levy, man. He's got murked. Piggy bank a little bit, like, way too fucking late for that. Let's just grab the food. Easy claps. Ooh. Virgo's actually pretty dope. 4 pin. RIP. BFF. Oh, I was about to say BFF, no thank you, but I guess BFF joining the fucking party. Okay. You wanted a brimstone off, bitch. You got one. Yeah, sure. Let's grab a sulfuric acid, increase my damage just by a tad bit. I don't mind. If I could get a reroll for that Head of the Keeper, that'd be pretty dope. I think my Bonies almost killed himself, man. That wouldn't have been very nice. If push comes to shove, if I don't get like no rerolls, I'll just grab them. Let's grab this. That's pretty good. What's this? Strength card. Yes, it is what it is. There's Bozo. Easy claps. We're actually getting hella check. Oh! That's hella. That's actually hella good for what I got going on here. Nice. Let's go. More items. Hey, yeah, we're actually getting hella items here, man. That's a surprise here once because I get like only like two, three fucking chests from this whole entire floor, most like 90% of the time. But this is actually a nice welcome to see. Ooh, room bag. Okay, yeah, there we go. This will give me my my reroll right here. You know what? Fuck it, yeah, $3 bill too. Give me that junk, man. Go. Easy, bro. We'll definitely fight Mega Satan, but you'll have to wait until after I pop this Wheel of Fortune. We get the fucking, we get the one that resets the floor, so I can't even fucking fight him no more. Hopefully we don't get D6. I don't want, no, wait. Dice roll 5. I don't want dice 5 because that'll get rid of my Mega Satan fight, and I actually want to fight Mega Satan. Oh, Mom's Contacts actually gas too. Give me that junk. Not a single rune drop, by the way. Still haven't got one of them yet. No item from the last room. Alright, let's grab all this fucking breakfast and shit, and then we'll pop Wheel of Fortune. We grab all the fucking food to our heart's content. We got one more in the secret room, and then we'll pop Wheel of Fortune. Reroll my items, please.
National fellow Nasterman.
I have no idea what that did, but okay, Chief. Alright, Mega Satan fight. And if we're lucky, we get the Delirium too. What a waste of my fucking Azazel's horn. But it is what it is. Can't do nothing about it. Oh yeah, that's dope. Woo! Get that, bro. Oh, dang there! Look at that damage. Let's go! One continuum, please. Oh, we got us. Here's down. Probably from like a triple shot or something. Come on, line up, baby. Yeah! Woo! I don't know what happened there, but I'm taking it. Uh-oh. I ran right into him. Ooh, we got Deadeye there. Oh, that cheers the fucking low as shit. We're practically one-shotting everything. Well, we didn't one-shot this guy, but... So practically one-shotting everything. Except for Mega. Phase 1's almost dead. Fuck you, Bozo! Easy, bro! Easy class. Phase 2, what you got for me, chump? Shots can go crazy too. Ow. prism can line up with my shots, that'd be hella good. There we go. There we go. Big burst damage. I'm surprised the only move he's been using so far is the one that just spits out flames. Yeah, that's all. That's like actually all he's been using. He didn't use any tears or anything. He just spewing out flames. And there we go. Hella fucking nice run. That's for damn certain, man. Let's go. 2 streaks on that Eden run, baby. Woo! Next time, we're probably gonna die though. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll catch you guys later. Peace.